Hello everybody and welcome back to episode 2 of Carter Does Cooking. Now, this is episode 2 and today we're making a chicken patty sandwich. So let's get started. But before we get started, y'all are probably like, why'd you miss last week? I was on vacation, and yes, I know, I put in the description I will be using vacation time, but I wasn't the only one in the kitchen, and I wasn't feeling very confident, so that's why I missed last week. Now, roll the intro! But before we get started, y'all might be wondering, what is PKU? Because in the title it says PKU Special. So I'm going to explain about that in 3, 2, 1. So y'all are probably like, what is PKU? PKU is a disorder that prevents me from digesting phenylalanine, an amino acid, as quick as normal people. So I'm limited to the amount of protein I can have, and I can only have so much protein per day, so yeah. So there's your explanation of PKU. Back to the video. Alright, so now with that explanation of PKU, we're going to start making the chicken patty mix. So first, for our ingredients, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of water and 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. So let's first put a 1/4 cup of mix in here. I forgot to say that. Okay, now we got that in. Now we gotta do the water. Next, we do the 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Okay, so now we're gonna get a pan, so I'll just... Pans aren't in there. My gosh. Pan. So I ended up upgrading to a bigger pan for my buns. So now we're gonna mix it. Oh. Might as well mix it over here while we're at it.
A few moments later.
So then you're going to want to put it into the shape of a ball. And then, so now we need to turn on the stove top. So go ahead and go over here, turn on the burner that you're using, and then put it down to 5. And if you have like one that uses it not digital like this, just turn it to 5. So now we need to apply our lubricant. Alright, so then you'll get this little chicken patty ball, and then gonna make it into the shape of a patty, like so. Okay, so now once you're done with that and your hands are greasy with that Pam you put on your hands from mixing, you might want to go ahead and wash your hands with dish soap. So go ahead and lather that. You should probably turn on the water before you lather yourself with soap. And then you just wash your hands until you feel them all nice and dry. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and dry your hands. And don't mind what's going on in the background where there's another cooker in the kitchen. So now I'll get my bread since we don't have hamburger buns that I can use. And then, so we're gonna go ahead and get the cheese out of here. You're gonna get this out of there. I'm gonna get 2 pieces of bread, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in the same pan as the other one, except first I need to put cheese on one of these pieces of bread. So, hold on, I need to get a plate. Okay, so put your 2 pieces of bread on there. You'll get a piece of cheese, and you'll put cheese on one of them. And now what I do is I get the pieces of bread and I just put them in the pan. And these will be buns. And I'll get back to you when we're ready to flip some stuff. This accidentally fell apart while I was flipping it. So, go ahead and check how the bread's doing. If this cheese doesn't fall off. That's not ready. So now I'm going to put my cheese on the rest of this. Yes, I know this cheese looks funky, but it fell apart, so that's how I'm doing the cheese. Alright, I'll get back to y'all when this is done. Alright, so it seems like the patty itself is done, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my plate over here. And we're just gonna go ahead and you're just gonna, oh my gosh, you're just gonna get the patty onto your spatula and you're just gonna get it onto your plate. Oh my gosh. Actually, instead of putting it on your plate, just put it on your bread. Oh my gosh. Go ahead and turn your burner off. And then so now, you'll just go ahead and get it off the cooktop. So that's how it looks right now, but I gotta get my toppings on. So I just like put ketchup on it. Okay, so, hold on, give me a second. So just go ahead and, oh my gosh. And then you go ahead and put the ketchup on. Oh no. This is like the worst time to be out of ketchup right now. So just go ahead and get that on there. And then put your bun on top of it. And then that's how it looks when it's done. I hope you enjoyed this second episode. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.